In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get tomorrow's date in Excel. First, open Microsoft Excel and go to the worksheet where you want to work. This is a very simple task, but it's useful in a lot of everyday spreadsheet situations, especially if you're building trackers, schedules, or date-based reports. Excel can automatically calculate tomorrow's date using a simple formula. There are two common ways to do it. You can either create a date that updates automatically every day based on the current date, or you can calculate tomorrow from a specific date that's already entered in a cell. Which method you use depends on what you need. To give you an idea of the result, if today's date is July 15th, the tomorrow value would be July 16th. If the date is December 24th, Excel will correctly return December 25th. And if the date is January 31st, it will move to February 1st automatically. So Excel handles month changes and even year changes for you. The first method is the recommended one if you always want to show tomorrow's date based on the actual current day. Start by selecting the cell where you want tomorrow's date to appear. Then type this formula equals today. Open parenthesis, close parenthesis +1. After that, press Enter. Excel will display tomorrow's date right away. If the result doesn't look like a date, you may need to format the cell as a date. The advantage of this method is that it updates automatically every day, so you don't have to change anything manually. The second method is useful when tomorrow's date should be based on a date in another cell rather than the current day. Begin by entering a date in cell A2. Next, select cell B2. In B2, type this formula equals A2 + 1. Then press Enter. Excel will calculate the next day based on the date in A2. If you have more than one date to work with, you can copy the formula down to additional rows. That makes it easy to generate tomorrow's date for an entire list without retyping the formula each time. One helpful tip to keep in mind is that Excel stores dates as serial numbers behind the scenes. Because of that, adding one always moves the date forward by exactly one day, even when the date crosses into a new month or a new year. And that's how to get tomorrow's date in Excel using either a dynamic formula or a date from another cell.